In this section, we'll be seeing how to connect securely to a VPS using advanced OR, and then how to use TOR again in the VPS in order to do a pen test. So first, let's open up our VPN and connect to it. So it's been connected. Now you can download advanced OR from SourceForge and open it up and connect to it. So you can see it's starting. So if you give connect over here, it will start connecting, and you can see now it's saying connected to the OR network. And if you go to proxy, you can see the proxy settings. It's running at port 9050 and the proxy address is 127.0.0.1. So now it's working, and let's just minimize it. And now let's go to our putty, and make sure the IP address of your VPS and the port is given properly, and go to proxy, and the proxy host name and the port is correct. So let's just give open. So we just have to give the password to authenticate. So it's logged in. So now we're going to install some tools. So since this is a Debian based computer, I'm going to install using apt-get install TOR. So first we're going to install TOR. So let's give yes. So it's starting up the TOR service, and so now it's installed. So one more tool we might be needing is proxy chains. So we'll install that too. So it's been installed. So now let's see how to use TOR in this VPS. So TOR comes with a tool called Torify, which automatically runs whatever you want through TOR. So let's give Torify, Torify, and whatever tool you want to run. So we're going to be using wget. And we can download any file, but since I don't have any files to download, I'll just give some website and it will download the index of that website. So I'll give example.com, hit enter, and now you can see it's downloading via TOR this website. So let's see what else we can do. We can resolve a domain using TOR. So we can give tor-resolve google.com, and it will find us the IP address of google.com via TOR. So you can do many more things. You can use Sqlmap also with TOR. So the syntax for that is Sqlmap -tor -tor -type is equal to SOCKS5, which is the type of proxy it's going to be using, -u and then the URL that you want to test. So this will run the Sqlmap scan through TOR. So one more thing you can do is you can do an Nmap scan also through TOR, but it will be quite limited, but it's still possible. So let's run the scan through TOR. So we're going to be using proxy chains for this. So we'll give proxy chains and Nmap is the tool we're going to use. So I'll give Nmap -st and -pn -n and -p80. So in this we are specifying which port to scan, because if you run the entire Nmap common port scan, it will take a long time through TOR. So I'm just going to scan port 80, and this is to stop Nmap from pinging and giving away our original IP address. So let's give the domain or the website that you want to scan. And hit enter, and you can see now it has done requests through TOR over here. So it's connecting through the TOR host, which is 127.0.0.19050 to the IP address that we want to scan, and the request has gone through and it has found that port 80 is open. So this is just an example scan on Nmap. You can do much more intensive scans, but as the bigger the scans, the longer time it will take to run the